Hello students, welcome to Listen and Learn Activity 40 Standard 8 English Bridge course. In this activity, you are going to learn sentence structure. वाक्य रचना सीखने वाले हो. Subject and predicate. Subject and predicate वाक्य के दो हिस्से होते हैं. Subject उस व्यक्ति, जगह या चीज का नाम होता है जिसके बारे में वाक्य कुछ बताता है. नेमिंग पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस. सब्जेक्ट के बारे में बताने वाला भाग टेलिंग पार्ट. विधेय, इसे प्रेडिकेट भी कहते हैं. किसी भी वाक्य को दो हिस्सों में बांटा जा सकता है, सब्जेक्ट और प्रेडिकेट. देन sentences with transitive verbs have the structure subject plus verb plus object. कर्ता, क्रिया और कर्म. कर्म के दो प्रकार हो सकते हैं, एक डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट, दूसरा इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. जैसे शी लव्स एनिमल्स, शी सब्जेक्ट, लव्स वर्ब एंड ऑब्जेक्ट animals. He gave me a pen. He subject, gave, verb, me and pen, direct and indirect objects. The next thing you are going to learn here is subject and verb agreement according to person and number. वाक्य में सब्जेक्ट और वर्ब दोनों ही सिंगुलर या प्लूरल होने चाहिए. सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट, सिंगुलर वर्ब. Plural subject, plural verb. Do you know students an interesting fact? Plural nouns mostly have yes suffix. Girl, girls. Boy, boys. इस तरह से. But when we add yes suffix to any verb, it becomes singular. Go, plural. Goes, singular. Help, plural form of the verb, helps. Singular form of the verb, and this singular form of the verbs are used with third person singular subjects he, she, it in simple present tense. In every sentence, if there is singular subject, we use singular verb, and if the subject is plural, we use plural verbs. Always keep in mind, he is going to school, they are going to school. Is singular or plural. In this activity, you are going to identify subject and predicate. You are going to frame sentences using flashcards. You have to do maximum practice to arrange the flashcards and make proper sentences. You have to arrange the words given in jumbled order to frame sentences. You have to do this activity with proper comprehension. पूरा समझकर लेना है, एक्टिविटी को बार बार रिवाइज करना है. Then do the similar activities with such grammatical concepts. Okay? Listen to the instructions carefully. Follow the instructions as per suggested guidelines and go on searching, explore more activities related to this activity. Very simple activities are given here. Learning activity. Subject and predicate match game. Match the cards in group A with group B to make a meaningful sentence. Her father is a doctor. Subject, her father is a doctor, predicate. The happy pig likes to run. The happy pig, subject, likes to run, predicate. The morning light spreads over the earth. The morning light, subject, spreads over the earth, predicate. In the solved activity, find the subject and predicate from the following sentence. Rajesh went to market. Rajesh, subject, naming part. Went to market, telling part, predicate. In the practice activity, Identify the subject and predicate. Ram and I walked along the street last night. Subject Ram and I. Predicate walked along the street last night. Sirisha ate ice cream. Sirisha subject ate ice cream. Predicate. Sneha attended the class and learnt all things. Sneha subject attended the class and learnt all things. Predicate. Students, here are some more sentences for the practice of subject and predicate. The horse likes to eat hay. The student studied hard for the test. My mom loves me very much. My dad's cell phone has a funny ring. The bee drank the nectar from the flower. My parents said that I could get a pet dog. My friends and I like to swim at the park. Bunty grew to be very large. Hina and Saba are best friends. Hira really wanted to go to school. In all these sentences, the words in blue color are subjects and the remaining words in red color are predicate. Read them carefully. In the extension activity, you have to complete the sentence using proper words. Subject in the first column and predicates in the second column. Uncle wears shoes. Cow is eating the grass. Rainbow is very beautiful. Always keep in mind all the sentences have a subject and a predicate. In the evaluation activity, you have to identify subjects and objects in the given sentences. Police caught a thief. Children threw the garbage in a dustbin. They bought a new car. The small girl sells vegetables. Farmers sow seeds in the farms. I forgot maths notebook at home. All of us have completed the homework. They enjoyed party. He described his native village. Sita arranged flowers. Students, you can easily identify subjects from the sentence, the naming part at the beginning of the sentence, then verb, and all the objects are given in red color here. Write down subject and objects from each sentence in your notebook. Go on Diksha video with the given link to know more about sentence structure. Today you have learned to identify subject in the sentence, to identify predicate in the sentence, and you have tried to understand sentence structure. Complete this activity in your notebooks. Whatever doubts you have, send me in the comment section of the video. We shall meet with a new activity very soon. Thank you.